Hello guys, welcome to my channel Neatcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to share Google Docs with others. So I will show you. So I am on my Google Drive. So let open your first open your Google Drive and log in with your email ID. Okay, so here you can see I have lots of Google Docs file here. You can filter the only Google Docs file from here. Go to the search and go to the Docs. So you will see all your Docs file, or you can create the new Docs file here. Okay, if I create and open it, so it will be open, and you can rename it as you do, I think. And so you can share Google Docs like others. So if I open this file, okay, I open my existing file. Okay, so I just open this one, just double click on it, open it, or it is open. This is my file name and it is open now. So in uh, in the right top corner you can see this share button. You have to click on it. So here you can see you can share with the two-way. First you can share with people or group in Google Drive only. So you can see this is my owner, and I already share to on two peoples. Okay, if you click on setting, so this share with people setting, editor can change the permission and share, and viewer and commenters can see option to download, print and copy. So it is like, okay, permission setting. So you have to check the what can editor can do and viewer and commenter can do. So here you can see this is permission you have to give. Okay, here you can see the three permission. Okay, only viewers means only can they viewers, commenter means they can only add comments, or editor means they can make changes, they can edit your name and everything. Okay, so this is like full control. Editor means, okay, you can also remove the person. So if I want to share with Google Drive only, so you have to write email. You can write up to three email, up to 50 email here. Okay, so make the permission only viewers. Okay, notify people. Okay, you have, when you check it, if you click on this check mark, that means the people get the notification when you share it. Okay, so if you don't want to notify, just untick it and share it. If you want to notify people, just write the message and untick it, and the Google will send the notification on this email. Just send, the will be shared. But after share, these people get this file on share with me tab. Okay, so this is share with me tab. It is basically you will get the folder or file shared by others. Okay, so when you share this file to others like this, they will get this file on this tab. Okay, so this tab, they have to find this file on this tab and they can open and check the file. Okay, so this is the first option. Second option, you can say the link. Okay, you can also on or share the your Google Docs file to others by links. Okay, so here you can see there is a two option which is restricted. First, in restricted or mode, you can share this link, copy and share the links, but before that you have to add people here. You have to add people here like this and click done. After that you have to come again here, and now you can copy this link and share. Okay, but in restricted mode, only added people can see your documents. So sometimes it is, asking the access permission if your members or person using the multiple emails on their device. So maybe they unable to access this file. So I suggest you make it anyone with this link, so they don't need to any access, and make as a viewer or editor whatever you want, and just copy it, and you can share it on email and everywhere, or like you can share on WhatsApp, you can share on Messenger. Okay, just copy and paste on anywhere you want. Okay, so there is a two way you can share, as I show you. Or you can simply, if you don't want to open the file, just simply select the file which you want to send, and just here you can see that both option available here. If you don't want to open the file, just select the file, and you can share from link, and as you can share with me with email ID. Okay, so this option, two option you can share. We can also share on email ID also. From email ID, if you come to the Gmail, okay, I will show you on Gmail also how you can set the file from Google Drive. Let me open Google Gmail first, and go to the compose. Okay, let it open. It is, I think, internet is slow. My okay. Okay, the window has been opened. Now just enter the email ID where you want to send. Line this, enter the subject line, enter the body, and now you can click on Google Drive, and here you can see the whole file and folder. You can also filter the particular file. Like if you want to filter documents, you can see the all documents here. Just scroll down, you can see the documents. So before that, if you want to share these, okay, if you want to share this file, Word and documents, so before you share this, come to the Google Drive, find this file, click right click, go to the get links and change the permission here, because if you share this file with restricted mode, so make it anyone with this link and make as a viewer, change the permission and just click on done. After that, come to Google Drive, just double click on it and it will be attached and you can send. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.